Hi students, let's have a look at this inequality. 3 into open parenthesis x minus 4 whole cubed minus 7 less than or equal to 74, and we have to find x. And as usual, we will use the reverse PEMDAS method to isolate the variable on one side of this inequality. So the first thing we are going to do is addition. We are going to add a plus 7 to both sides of this inequality. So this will give us 3 times x minus 4 whole cubed is less than or equal to 81. Next, we will use division. We will divide both sides by 3. This will give us x minus 4 whole cube is less than or equal to 27. Okay. And next we have this x minus 4 within the parenthesis, and the whole thing is raised to the third power. Now x is inside the parenthesis. We have to get it out of the parenthesis. We have to isolate x. That's our goal. But as per the order of operations, we cannot as yet touch the parenthesis. We can either do the exponent or the root operation. Here, x minus 4 is raised to the third power. So to get rid of the third power, we will take the cube root. Okay, so we will take the cube root of x minus 4 whole cubed, which means I will also have to take the cube root of 27. So when I take the cube root of x minus 4 whole cube, I will get x minus 4 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side the cube root of 27 is 3. Now finally I can go for the parenthesis. So I get what is inside the parenthesis outside. I have x minus 4 is less than or equal to 3. At this stage, we are now once again in the same situation as we were at the beginning. So we have x minus 4 less than or equal to 3, and so we apply the addition or subtraction operation to isolate x. In this case, clearly we have to use the addition operator. So we add plus 4 to both sides. This will get rid of the minus 4 on the left hand side, and when we add 4 to the right hand side, we are going to get 7. So x is less than or equal to 7 is the final answer. This is the final result. So how did we get it? We just added 4 here. So this kind of canceled these two. And we kind of added 4 here also. So 3 plus 4 gave us 7 on the right hand side and x on the left hand side. So you can see here clearly how the reverse PEMDAS method helps us to isolate a variable and finally find its value. Thank you very much.